Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see how to view the column stats, and if possible, I will also showcase you that how to add a column into our query editor. Okay. So first of all, let's navigate to the view section wherein we'll be at the statistics of a column. Okay. So the very first two options, monospace and show white space, you can ignore because it does not do much into the cleaning or editing or anything be matter. So, but still, let me show you quickly. So, if I select this monospace, you will see that font and size of the data gets changed a bit. So you can see that data is changed a bit. And if I select this white space, okay, it does not do much into the data because it is, I'm not sure if I have not used this white space as much, even though mono space, because it just changes the data shape and size and that's it. Does not do much. Okay. Now, the third thing is column quality. So right now you can see that a few have some values in it. Okay. All right. So now you can see that on the top, I have this small in space values. Like it says valid, it's 100%, and it is 0% error, and empty is basically 0%. And you can see every column is showing like this only. It means that all the columns are just fine. There is no error into it, and there is no empty values in this. Okay? So this way you can verify that data which is loaded is actually accurate or not. It does not have any errors or any empty values in it. Okay. So this is how you can just quickly verify. And now let's look into the other thing, which is column distribution. So when I select this column distribution, it actually helps you to check how many values loaded in this, how many of them are distinct, how many of them are unique. These are just two things which it shows up, unique and distinct. These two only two values it shows up. It does not show you any duplications or anything. If I talk about the column profile, so column profile helps you to check the column details in a more statistical view. So, like suppose this particular column deviant has 1,000 rows loaded. Okay, because it only loads the 1,000 row into this query editor. When you actually are done with the querying of the data and loads into the Power BI, it actually loads overall data into the sheet. But this is just a query editor. It only loads around 1,000 entries in that set. Okay. And you can see in this deviant column, there is no error into it. Empty. There is no empty values in it. There are distinct values, which is 15. There is no unique value. There is no empty string. Even you have this minimum and the maximum values in it. And like it goes with the same. Okay, it has 15 values created, not showing anything. So I select with year. In year, you can see that there are distinct values, which is 7. And you can also see that if I hover the mouse on 2013, it says 143% or around 14%. 143 are 2013, and which is equal to 14% of the total data. So with 2014, report the same. Okay, and 2015, okay, 2016, and like so on and so forth. And if I scroll down, you can see that there are 429, which is even. There are odd, which is 571. These are just column numbers, and that's it. Okay. The minimum is 2013, the maximum is 2019. Likewise, so forth. And so, yeah, also you can see that there are distinct values, which is 137. There are 61 unique values. Is 1, maximum is 221. There is average size of 33. Even is 502, and odd is 5498. Okay. So this is how you just can view the column stats by selecting these three values: column quality, column distribution, and column profile. Okay. So this is it about this view section and the column chats. Now let's talk about adding a real column into into this particular sheet or query editor. So I'll just unselect this, okay, so that I can have a more broader view. So for example, let's see. So in 2000, basically there are female categories, and the number is tested 12. Okay, in 2013, third grade students. Okay, and it was tested that 2013 third grade student, 12 students have given a test, and this is the score they have achieved, which is 274. The average time taken by them is 95 minutes. So I suppose that this is 95 minutes. To know that what is the total time in hours they have taken. So try to convert them into basically it's minutes. So I will try to convert them into 1 hour or maybe so and so forth. So let's see. And for right now, we I do not have a predefined column already, but I have this custom column. So I will select this custom column because I will be multiplying two different column values. Okay. I will be giving this is time in hours. Okay. Sorry. This will be minutes because I am just multiplying the total number of students in 2 minutes. So number of tested, which is 12. Okay. And then multiply is star and then 8, which is this is the multiplication sign. An average test time. I will be just inserting this. So this is the one I want. Will click OK. So now you can see that I have this, I've got this value in minutes because I am multiplying this 95 into. Okay, so this is loaded now. I will go back to the custom column which I created, time in minutes. I will insert this, okay, and then divide by 60 because the time frame which I got is a minute. In order to get this in hours, I have to divide it with 60, okay. So this will be time taken hours like this. I will hit okay, and I will have a new column which says that how many time is taken in minutes. So in hours. So it is in minutes, it is in hours. This is the average test time. This is the average number of students which test. And it was 2013. Okay. And the grade was 3. Okay. So this is how you add a column, and this is how you add statistics to the columns. So quality, column profile, and column distributions. So yeah, I will cover the next part into next videos. Till then, see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye. And yes, if you want to learn more about SharePoint or Exchange, so do check out my playlist and yeah, do come back with your doubts. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.